Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your mobile and network so remote work is reliable. Plug in or charge to at least 50% and enable battery saver if you expect long use. Once done, join a stable Wi-Fi or create a mobile hotspot. Check signal bars. Next, install and update the remote apps you need: VPN for security, a remote desktop client for access, and a trusted messenger. These steps reduce interruption and protect data, so you can continue without surprise disconnects. You now authenticate and configure access so systems are reachable and safe. Sign in using multi-factor authentication. Use an authenticator app or hardware token rather than SMS when possible. Then configure the VPN, enable split tunneling only when necessary to reduce load, and test latency so performance is acceptable. After that, map remote drives or save server bookmarks and credentials in a secure manager to speed repeated tasks. Doing this ensures secure, consistent access. You finish by optimizing workflow and knowing how to recover from problems. Close unused apps and lower screen brightness to conserve power. Enable Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions. If the session stalls, restart the app or device, then toggle the VPN off and back on to reset the tunnel. If issues persist, verify carrier data or switch Wi-Fi bands and consider USB tethering for a stable wired link. These final steps keep your remote session smooth, and a quick restart often fixes common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.